Hey, and welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today I am making a creamy salsa, sort of like guacamole, but without any avocados. It's made strictly with vegetables and oil and a couple pinches of salt and pepper. And it's a nice, creamy, delicious sauce, an alternative to guacamole in case you don't have any avocados, but you have a whole bunch of jalapenos sitting around. I'm going to show you how to make it. Stay tuned. First, I'm starting off with 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. Okay, now the olive oil is nice and hot. I have 10 jalapenos that I have cut in half and removed the seeds. We're gonna let these jalapenos cook in this oil for about 15 minutes, stirring often, and then we'll be back to add our next ingredients. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. These have been cooking on medium heat. You can see they're nice and softened. They've changed color. They've been almost like deep frying. So good. Okay, now I'm adding 1 small onion. I just chopped it into pieces, chunks, and I have several cloves of garlic, probably 6 cloves of garlic in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of a little bit of pepper, probably a 1/2 teaspoon, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna let this go a little bit longer, about another 5 minutes. So we're gonna try and soften up the vegetables that I just added, the onion and the garlic. We're gonna let this cool down for about a 1/2 hour. It needs to be pretty much cooled down when you go to mix it in the blender. We'll be back in just a couple of minutes to finish this delicious, I'm calling it a green salsa. I don't know, maybe there's a real name for it out there. If you know what the real name is, you be sure and let me know. Okay, our jalapenos have cooled down. I wanna show you what they look like now. They look the same as they did, they're just cooler now. I'm gonna put them in this food processor. You can put them in a blender. Okay, I'm gonna whip these up. You can tell they're smooth. It took all of about 30 seconds. This looks so good. Take a look at that. Oh, that's really good. Doesn't need anything else. Got my plate of chips here. If you wanted to add some more heat, maybe your jalapenos aren't as hot as you'd like them to be, you could put some serrano peppers in there, or you could put some hot chili flakes, something like that, even a little bit of hot sauce. That's really good. I think you're gonna like this sauce. Give it a try, let me know how you like it. You take care now. Thanks for watching. Crap, I knew this would happen. Can't stop eating it.